Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Charmander doing one of his fire attacks. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Charmander attack, let's begin with his eye. So I want to start right up here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's going to come up, and then I'm going to curve it down like this. Right here, we're going to make another little curved line that comes down. At the top of the eye, let's make an oval shape. And then right here, we're going to make a little line that's going to come down, and I'm going to color this part in. Now, right above the eye, let's make a little line that's just going to curve up, and then it's going to come out like this for the eyebrow. And then I'm going to bring this line all the way down to here and kind of curve it in. Now, over here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come out, and I'm going to curve it down. And then we're going to make the nose over here. So I'm going to bring a line that's going to come out, and we're going to bring it in like this with a curve. Then we're going to come kind of to a point, and we're going to bring this up, and then down to here by the eye. I'm going to add a little dot here and a little dot here for the nose. And then I'm going to make another little line that just kind of comes down just a little bit. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. And then I'm just going to bring it up just a little bit. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line over and then up. And then I want to add some teeth. So I'm going to make a little fang here, and then a little fang back here. And then I'll put a little sharp tooth here, and then one right here. Now I'm going to make his little kind of fire blast coming out of here. So I'm going to start right back here. And I'm going to make just some kind of wavy, kind of pointed lines coming out of here. We're going to make these nice and curvy, and we'll kind of bring them up and put a few points. And then I'm just going to add some more little points and making them a little bit smaller as they come back. Then I'm going to bring this line in and down. And we'll draw another little line that's just going to curve around. Next, I'm just going to bring this line up and this line down just a little bit more. And then inside of here, we'll just draw a line that comes down here for the tongue. Now, starting back here, I want to make his arm. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to curve back like this. Then we'll make a little line that comes up and down for one of the fingers. We'll make another one here, and I'll make one more right out here that's going to curve around. Then I'll bring this line in. Now starting here, I'm going to curve this line down. And then right about here, we're going to put his foot. So start by making a curved line like this for the leg. Then right here, I'll make a line that comes up to a point and down for one of the feet, or for one of the claws. We'll do another one here, and then one more right here. Then I'm going to bring this line down and curve it around. And I'll put another little line right here for part of the leg. We'll make a couple little curved lines here. We'll make a line that goes up and down. And then we're going to bring it back down and around for the foot. Next, I'm going to bring this line down with a curve and up here. We'll make it come to a point, and I'm going to bring this back. It's going to slowly get bigger. And I'm going to bring it right up here to the foot. Now I'm going to bring this into here. We'll make this line come down to the leg. And then I'm going to bring this line down and then up to here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and then in for the other leg. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out to a point and then back. Another point and back, and one more. I'm going to bring this right back to here. I'll add a couple little curves for the claws. A little line's going to come up and down. Now for this arm, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down here. We'll add 3 little points on here. And then I'm going to curve it right back to here. Then the last thing I want to do is I want to add the flame on the end of his tail. So very similar to how we did that power on that he's shooting out, we're just going to make some kind of wavy pointed lines like this. And then we can always add kind of like another shape in here and then do another one over here, just show where there's some difference in color. And there you go, there is your drawing of Charmander doing one of his little flame attacks. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.